Hello, children. How are you all? Today we will start with page number 13 in GK. So, page number 13, Indian authors. The name of the topic is. Let's see from here. In modern times, English dominates the world more than any other language, and it has become a lingua franca, a global language. So, in today's time, also English is one of the most popular language, and if you see that every day the new words are coming in into the English. Okay, so it becomes a global language. Everybody is using English in the countries. So in this page, what you need to do is you need to name these famous Indian writers who have written the English language. So in the blanks, we have to write the name of the Indian authors after reading the description about it. So first one is he is known as a courageous writer, and he depicts magical realism in his essays and novels, and he has mainly written on the link between the East and the West. In 2007, Queen Elizabeth II knighted him for his services to literature, and the name of the Indian author is Salman Rushdie. Second is he has written 4 novels which have inspired major movies, making him a youth icon. The New York Times termed him the biggest selling English language novelist in India's history. And the name of the Indian writer is Chetan Bhagat. Third is a novelist, travel writer, poet, and memoirist. And he is best known for his epic novel, A Suitable Boy. He is the distinguished winner of the W.H. Smith Literary Award and the Commonwealth Writers' Prize. The name of the writer is Vikram Seth. The next is a novelist and social activist. She rose to fame with her God of Small Things, which got her worldwide acclaim. She is the winner of renowned awards like Booker Prize, Cultural Freedom Prize, and Sydney Peace Prize. And the name of the writer is Arundhati Roy. Next is he is a Nobel laureate, novelist, and essayist of Indo-Trinidadian descent, and he is the winner of literary prizes like John Lewendrace Prize, Somerset Maugham Award, Hawthornden Prize, Booker Prize, and David Cohen Prize. And the name of the writer is V.S. Naipaul. The next we have is he is an anthropologist and prolific writer, and he was born in Calcutta, but his student life coast across Delhi, Oxford, and Egypt. His most popular works are The Circle of Reason, The Shadow Lines, and In a Antique Land. And the writer name is Amitav Ghosh. Next is he is a popular motivational writer and author of several bestsellers. His first book, You Can Win, was published in 1998. It sold more than 1 million copies, and he writes motivational books to change the lives of millions of people. And the name of the writer is Shiv Khera. Now we will start with page number 14. So take out page number 14 in your book. The solar system. The solar system has the sun, moon, stars, minor planets, asteroids, comets, and other heavenly bodies. What you need to do is you need to take the correct option in each case. So there are 14. Take the correct option is given. So you have to choose one option from the 2 which are given here. So first one is nebula or black hole is a huge cloud of gas or dust found in space between the stars. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is nebula. Second is Sun and Proxima Centauri is the closest star to the Earth. The correct answer is Sun. Third is galaxy. Asteroid is a vast collection of stars, gas, and dust. spinning in space and held together by gravity? The answer is galaxy. Fourth is black hole, and the next option is constellation is a group of stars that together forms a recognizable shape. The answer is constellation. Fifth is asteroids. Satellites are lumps of rocks that orbit the sun, and this answer is asteroids. And the next one we have is comet and meteor is a streak of light in the night sky caused by the frictional heating of a piece of rock from space entering into the Earth atmosphere. And the answer is meteor. And the next seventh one is Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are called the non-terrestrial or terrestrial planets. Which one is the correct? Terrestrial is the correct one. So you need to take on terrestrial. The next one is eighth is Ceres. Pluto is the only dwarf planet in the inner solar system. The correct answer is Ceres. The ninth one is the atmosphere of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune is primarily hydrogen and methane, helium. So which one is the correct answer? Methane or helium? The correct answer is helium. Next is Nicholas Copernicus proved that all the planets in our solar system orbit around the sun or the moon. So the correct answer is sun. Next is the solar system is located in the Andromeda or Milky Way galaxy. The correct answer is Milky Way. 12th is Kuiper belt or asteroid belt is a region in a solar system extending beyond the planet Neptune and believed to be the place of origin of many comets. And the answer is Kuiper belt is the correct one. Mimas or Titan is the largest moon of Saturn and the second largest moon in the solar system after Jupiter's moon Ganymede. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is Titan. And the last option we have is Earth's atmosphere primarily has carbon dioxide or nitrogen and oxygen. So which one is the correct answer? Carbon dioxide, nitrogen along with the oxygen. So it is nitrogen. So in today's class we have done page number 13 and 14 and you need to do this exercise in your book. Mark the correct answers in your book and practice the previous pages which we have already completed and also read the next pages which we are going to cover in the next class. Till then, God bless you everyone.